The easiest way how to get 1000 subscribers in 1 week is just right here, because I will gonna show you the easiest way how to make money online 2022 if you have no subscribers at all. And here we go. Analytics, we'll find in YouTube analytics. It says 13,577 subscribers. Okay, or we can go another way if you like, because this number is still growing up all the time. 589 actually, and this is real time, as you can see in my previous videos I showed you already, so it's still keep growing up. This one is doing 5 days, exactly 5 days, as I showed you already here. Okay, March, and this is the views now. Oh yeah, views also interesting. Would be see the views, you see, that's no 3, 4, 5, I think those are my views. Okay, and then 43, and then start growing up views, and if I click on the subscribers are... Hey, look, I know what you think. It is almost impossible, right? But look, this is why I'm doing those videos. This is why I'm sharing you my analytics, my data here. And if you see here, you see it's only 148 subscribers. That's just beginning. That's how you start. Okay, but what I want you to see here in my videos, very beginnings, how you can do this from the very beginning, how you can start your YouTube account properly without those terrible mistakes, and finally start making money online with your YouTube channel. And this is why I want you to keep watching the next video here, because every video I'm giving away some nugget.